car run, let it run. That's what, turn it in. Good. And brake hard. Now we can get on the throttle, good. The new CUPRA Ateca is changing the game for performance SUVs. With a powerful 2-litre turbo engine, it's got plenty of muscle, and its 7-speed DSG has been engineered for smoother, faster, sportier shifts. 4-drive, all-wheel drive, advanced suspension and large Brembo brakes give you all the grip and stopping power you need. And in CUPRA mode, it really comes alive, especially when you've got a great circuit like this as your playground. But enough of what I think. We brought a group of Autocar and What Car readers to Castle Combe to try the CUPRA Ateca for themselves.
It's just got all the performance.
Oh, wowza! There is a bit of punch on that, isn't there?
Turning is great. These brakes are really impressive.
Just grips and grips, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'm very impressed.
For effectively a family car.
It's a lot of car, isn't it?
It's brilliant.
I've come here today to try out the CUPRA Ateca. What I think the normal version's missing is a little bit more of that excitement, and that's why I'm interested in this.
It looks really good. It sits a lot lower than I was expecting for an SUV, but I think it keeps those quite nice, smooth lines. But yeah, it's an impressive looking car.
It feels a lot smaller than it is. It controls itself extremely well. Cornering was better than you would ever expect it could do.
Incredibly comfortable. It felt very safe, and the handling was fantastic.
Love the DSG gearbox, so quick, very, very immediate. The ability to make it crackle and pop when you're braking hard coming down from speed, that's fun.
It exceeded my expectations. I mean, it does drive like a sports car. You wouldn't know you were sitting in an SUV.
It really is the everyday car for everyone because you can use it in every circumstance. And I think it looks really good.
So it's a proper hot hatch, not just something that's a bit lukewarm, I think. And you can really feel that difference on the track.
Frighteningly accomplished for a car that you don't even really notice until it goes past you.
So our readers have tried out the CUPRA Ateca for themselves, but we've got one extra little treat in store to show them what it can really do.
Wow.
This is a different car again now, isn't it?
It's mega, isn't it? I mean, it's just such good fun.
I hope you don't drive to the supermarket like this.
I don't ever drive like this anywhere except on the road.
This is so much fun though.
This is an SUV.
It's not right, is it?
It's not right.
The CUPRA Ateca hasn't just been designed to stand out in the performance SUV market, it's been engineered to offer a thrilling driving experience. And as our readers have found out, it's more than up to the job.